Hey, welcome back. So I got to do a drive shaft, the front drive shaft now. So we're gonna take this thing on down to the garage, and it's about to pour out here. So let's get it down to the garage, and we'll get it up on a jack stand, and we'll see what we got. Got some new U-joints to put in it. It's not too bad of a job, but hasn't been done on this one yet in the front drive shaft. All right, so we got this little spot here, this little pin right here. You gotta knock that out the other side, and it's what locks this yoke to the splines. So, sorry, brain fart. Let me turn this radio down a little bit. Okay, so we got the drive shaft in the right alignment. I got to knock this pin here out. So we're going to try to use a air chisel and a punch. So let me see if I can set you up in here somewhere. Okay, so we got it. Yeah, might as well replace them. Alright, we're here, we got them, pulled it out, let's do it. Alright, I gotta take a quick little break, I'll be right back with you. Okay, so we're back from the break. I gotta get some gloves. Hang on, I'll be right back. so we got it all done now. Now we're gonna grease her up real good. See how floppy it is? So, and that's a brand new one. So we're gonna take and put this on here. Alright, she's nice and stiff. I'm gonna put this back. Wipe her hands a little bit. Get that grease up out of there. Okay, she's about to go back in here, so we gotta feed this thing back in. Let's see.